guys, so I'm going to make a little video here on how to install a catch can. This is a Cusco catch can on a 2002 Subaru WRX, the bug eye. So anybody that has a 2002 or a 2003 WRX, the bug eye, you might find this video helpful. But if you have a 2004 to a 2007 WRX or STI, you might find this video confusing, as the system, the catch can system is slightly different because of the PCV systems are a little different on those models. So yeah, I mean, I was willing to do this install for a while now. I finally did it a couple days ago. But you know, before I even opened my hood and attempted it, I've read a ton of information on the catch can systems. The problem is I found that on the internet there's a ton of confusion. The same questions people were asking, I was asking, and then when you go try to read something on a thing and then watch it on a video, you couldn't, because I could not find one video on how to do it specifically on the bug eye. So yeah, if anybody's watching this video, if you know better than me, and you can you can confirm that this is the exact way to do it, give me a thumbs up, and all of us can find this useful. Okay guys, so on these bug eyes, from everything that I read on the internet, every video that I saw, there's 3 correct ways of setting up the catch can system. They're all correct, but there's 3 different ways of plumbing it. Okay, the first way and the easiest way, and this is the way that I've seen most people do on the internet, and I'm eventually going to do it myself as well, is by removing this hose that connects to this pipe. This pipe connects to the valve cover vents. This hose goes back to the turbo inlet pipe. You would remove this, remove it, get rid of it. You connect another hose to this pipe, kind of like over here, and then you would run it into the catch can with dirty air, and then another hose back into the turbo inlet with clean air. That's it. That's the easiest and first way, and in my opinion, not the most effective way. You won't see much difference. I don't see a lot of blow-by coming out through here. The way I set up this system, which is the second correct way, is through the PCV system. So right there, there's a hose, there's a little T that's connected to the crankcase vent. There's a little T coming out of it. One side goes from the T goes to the PCV valve, and the other side from the T goes into the turbo inlet. So this is the part where I find a lot of confusion on the internet. People are not sure about what the hell to do with the T. From my understanding, the hose that connects from the T to the turbo inlet, you remove it, and this is how you plumb it. So this black hose here is connected on top of the T. Okay, now on top of the T, this hose goes into the catch can. Now another hose, which is this clean air, goes back into the turbo inlet. Okay, so you eliminate that little hose, get rid of it from the crankcase vent to the turbo inlet, not the PCV hose to the T, if you understand what I mean. So that is the second correct way. This is the way I've done it on this vehicle. The reason I've done it like this on this vehicle is because I've noticed there's a ton of oil coming out of that crankcase vent. And I saw a lot of, I mean, my car smelled like a frickin' like a deep frying factory or something. I mean, I pulled this car in here and it smelled like oil for a long time. And I tell you this, I did this setup, I drove the car for 2 hours, I drove it in here, and that oil smelled 80% gone. It's just unbelievable what it did. But anyway, but if you want to have the third correct way of setting this up, you would do this setup plus this setup that I showed you together, no matter where you hook it up, and now you're supposed to have 100% functioning catch can system on the bug eye.
Everything I used to dream being real right now. If it work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go.
Alright guys, so here's a little view from the other side. So yeah, this is it, the Cusco catch can. This is how it looks. If you're deciding on buying a catch can, there's a lot of different options. I see, from what I read, a lot of people don't like spending over $100 American on something like this. But I mean, look at this thing. This thing is nice. It looks nice under the hood. It's solid. It's made solid. Not only made solid, it's made in Japan, which I love. You know, if you're the kind of guy who wants to buy a $15 eBay piece that says made in China on top of it and put it in your Subaru, that's your call, man. But I gotta tell you, 115 bucks, I'm okay with this. One knock, this one hose, the clear hose is the only hose it comes with. Other than that, you got the brackets, everything fits exactly where you see it. I mean, I couldn't be more happy. But the biggest thing that I'm happy about is the performance. I mean, like I told you guys earlier, I drove this car for 2 hours, brought it in, and it just smelled different. The car performed better. It drove smoother. Even on my little ACCESSPORT, the COBB ACCESSPORT I have in my car, I know I just reset the ECU, but I could see the numbers are everything is just seems smoother. Man, guys, go get your catch can. I cannot wait to install the second part to have the whole system correctly. And if anybody out there, any mechanic out there, if you want to put in your 2 cents or say this is wrong, or please make a comment ASAP. You know, like I said, I've been looking over a year for information on the bug-eye and this system, and I haven't found it. Hopefully this helps people. And yeah, and anyway, if you guys are wondering what that little 2004 blob-eye is doing on the intercooler, well, I figured I use my little 3-year-old son, his little Christmas gift, and put it on top of the engine bay to make him feel like he's part of my first video. All right, take care, cheers.